Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video, we have seen that how to create a simple stored procedure. In this video, we'll learn how to create parameterized stored procedure. Here is the syntax of creating the procedure. Create procedure name, and then specify the small bracket, and in the bracket we need to pass parameter name and its data type. And then we need to specify the as keyword, and then in the begin and end section we need to specify the conditional based parameter. Let's see how we can do it in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server, select the database and click on new query. Just write the syntax create procedure name, let's say USP manage employee, and then in the small bracket let's say we are giving the name of parameter is mode, and then tab specify the data type as, and then write begin and end. In the begin section we need to write the condition. If mode equal to 1, then print hello mode 1. Just copy and paste 2 more times and then see. Okay, here you need to specify here is 2, and then give the tab 2, and then 3, and print here 3. Just execute it. You can see that command successfully executed. Now just copy this stored procedure name and then see how we can call it. Execute stored procedure name. You can see that it's giving some error and expecting the parameter at the rate mode. You just need to pass this mode equal to 1 and just select the query and execute it. You can see that it is printing hello mode 1, and then change the value and see it is printing 2, and then now again change it to 3, showing it hello mode 3. So this is how we can specify the condition in the stored procedure. We will learn the DML operation in upcoming videos. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.